Hello, welcome back everyone. My name is Gary and I'm an author, which I'm still trying to feel good about saying because it feels good saying, but it's just a little strange because one, I don't have a book out yet and I've always been a teacher, so it's okay. But I am an author. I do have a book coming, I promise. Today, what I want to talk to you about is more flash drafts. We've also done some stuff about generating ideas, which I also think could be very valuable to anyone who's just trying to think of ideas of what to write about, maybe interest for reading. You could use generating ideas for lots of different things, okay? So today what I want to talk to you about is, I can show you what we did last week a little bit, very briefly. We went here, which was our ideas. We determined which one we wanted to write about, which is basketball. We took it, remember the flash? We wrote really quickly for 1 minute, 30 seconds here. Some of us were asking, why 1 minute, 30 seconds? Like, isn't that really short? And it is really short. And it is to give you a little bit of urgency, not necessarily pressure, urgency just to write fast. Of course, you can always go back and add to it, but this is just to help you build an idea to create a story. It's not your actual story. So it's not meant to be built on in a sense where this is your final product, okay? So 130 it's fun, it's exciting, it goes fast, and you can get a lot of work done, a lot of writing done in 1 minute, 30 seconds. So today we're gonna do another one. This time we're going to go back to our ideas board and we're gonna do people. And I already had this one in mind today. I wanted to write about my grandfather. My grandfather passed away a while ago, but it was like crushing, really crushing. One of the saddest times of my life, to be honest. He was everyone's like friend, big teddy bear. And when he passed, it was really, really hard for me. So I do have a lot of stories I could write about him, but today I'm just gonna try and generate based on some of the thoughts and ideas that I have based on my memories, okay? I wanna share with you also, or remind you, that we talked about sentence starters last week as well. And this is just to honestly help you generate ideas to get the flow of your writing going. When you're doing flash drafts, it should be free. You shouldn't have to worry about spelling or punctuation. That stuff will come. It's important, but not in your flash draft. Your flash draft is just for you to write extremely fast, all of your ideas. Doesn't even have to make sense. Just whatever you're feeling about that specific moment, okay? So today I used remember last time. I might use when I today, maybe, we'll see. Okay, so this will be flash draft number 2. So, and I'm just gonna write Granddad on the bottom, just so I kind of remember what it is. And last time I can't remember if I did 1 minute, 30 seconds because I didn't time it properly, but today I'm gonna do it with my watch. Set timer for 1 minute, 30 seconds.
1 minute and 30 seconds.
Starting
now.
All right, ready? Go. It's a true story, by the way. all done. My watch is vibrating. So that's my flash draft. And I'm not gonna get too much into what my flash draft is about. You could pause it and read it if you want to. But again, I use my sentence starter here to get going. And I talked about a time when I went out with my grandfather to sell Reeves, when me and a few of my cousins actually went together. That's our flash draft. That is our lesson for today. Honestly, hopefully you got something out of it. Feel free to go back and add to this flash draft, take things out, but it's really meant for you just to, again, start to generate some thoughts about what you could write about.